Introducing Alex Vieira, a legend for many, a visionary for others, and a mentor above all. Let's look at some of his work. I discuss his aim, the benefits individuals and companies have experienced, and how you can use his insight. Alex shares his vision with those aspiring to succeed while shaping the future together. He knows that you can conquer your fears and excel, building a happier and more fulfilling future by collaborating on actual projects. Alex turns useless complexity into valuable simplicity. For example, investing is a simple game in which financial advisors convince the public that it is more complex than it is. Alex has published over 65,000 case studies since 1989, helping thousands by sharing his insight and principles. In addition, he discusses geopolitics, finance, technology, and new trends.
Hi, Alex here with Autonomous Trading and Royal Caribbean. If you wish to learn more about this, you can refer to the free comments on YouTube and on the blog of the company. So here what I'm going to do is a different perspective, is an analysis of the performance of the stock. And I'm going to start by sharing here my screen with you. You have here, meanwhile, Royal Caribbean share price soared basically to $100, as you can see in the past few months, since my upgrade to strong buy. And I believe that this here gives you a better perspective. Okay? So what I've been saying here is basically since the upgrade to strong buy, it was not just to buy back then, it was then to add to the long side on weakness. And while this blue line remains intact as support, to continue remaining invested in Royal Caribbean, because you had a channel. By having a channel, the instructions, they were very clear to trade the channel or to invest according to the channel. So when the stock made that high here last year, okay, what we did, it was, technically speaking, to draw a parallel line to this line here. And this line exists because I gave instructions on this matter. And by drawing the parallel line, more or less to like this. Okay? So this line, I repeat, has to be parallel to this line. Right? And this line, by being parallel, it gave you the let's say, the price for you to take profits or to reduce your investment in Royal Caribbean. So what I'm going to do here is to change the color to red. So I remind you that this line comes from, if you wanted, you also put something like this. Okay? Alright? You didn't have this point, no matter, you had this point here. By having this line is parallel to this line. Okay? So the exercise is pretty much the same. So this, meanwhile, we saw this rallying to basically $100, and I issued a trade alert to $96 to reduce the investment. So this is according to what I've just said, those lines, okay? Nothing else. I never utilized any sort of price target other than the instructions that I shared with people. Okay? So it's not my concern here to figure out the tops or the bottoms. It was to step in, to announce this is an upgrade to strong buy, to making it available worldwide. So you just go here to the blog of the company and you type here Royal Caribbean, okay, and you have here the chart, right? So I don't have to do this. In fact, I'm wasting my time. Everyone knows about this. Okay? Risk-free investment, and going back to the chart.
I'm a small investor. I've got less than 50,000 in the market. I started investing about a year ago. Started very small with about a $3,000 account. That account grew over 600% within the first, I'd say, four to 5 months of utilizing Alex Vieira and Elena's guidance. I've participated in multiple products of theirs. I'm a YouTube member on Alex's YouTube channel. I've utilized his individual company analysis. What I like about Alex's and Elena's approach is there's no guessing. There's no guessing if it's going to turn out in your favor or are you on the right side of the trade. 100% of the trades that I've entered into, or 100% of the companies that I've invested in, have been winners. I've never had an investment less than 100% profit utilizing Alex and his team.